Stroke recovery. What to expect? Phases of rehabilitation. What happens during a stroke? A stroke is a sudden interruption of blood flow to the brain. Types: ischemic stroke, hemorrhagic stroke, transient ischemic attack. Brain damage depends on which area and how long it goes without oxygen. Effects may include paralysis, speech issues, and cognitive problems. Content in this video is for educational and informational purposes only and is not a substitute for professional medical advice, diagnosis, or treatment. Did you or your loved one just have a stroke, wondering how long recovery will take or what therapies actually work? You are not alone. Today I am breaking down the entire stroke recovery timeline from day 1 to long-term outcomes, including facial palsy rehabilitation and advanced physio techniques, all backed by research. How long to heal? Stroke recovery timeline. Golden window 0 to 3 months. Brain's neuroplasticity is at its highest. Early rehabilitation means best results. Mild stroke recovery in weeks to a few months. Moderate to severe stroke recovery may take 6 months to 2+ years. Factors affecting recovery: age, stroke severity, lesion size, other health issues like diabetes, blood pressure, cholesterol. Rehabilitation intensity and consistency. This is the most important sentence: rehabilitation intensity and consistency. Rehabilitation stages: acute phase 0 to 7 days. Mobilization early as tolerated. Start with the mobilization. Prevent complications, for example pressure sores, deep venous thrombosis. Subacute phase 7 days to 6 months. Regain function is the main goal. Start task-oriented training. Start speech and occupational therapy if needed. Chronic phase more than 6 months. Focuses on maintain gains, adapt to limitations, long-term support and psychological care. Multidisciplinary team: physiotherapist, occupational therapist, speech therapist, neuropsychologist. From start to advanced physiotherapy. Early phase physio goals: prevent contractures, maintain joint range of motion, bed mobility and basic transfers. Techniques: passive and active assisted range of motion, positioning for spasticity control, sitting balance and sit to stand. Task specific training: walking with assistance like in gait training, balance retraining, functional reach and coordination. These all are important to achieve. Advanced rehabilitation option. As stroke recovery progresses, it's time to move beyond the basics. Proprioceptive neuromuscular facilitation enhances movement patterns using sensory cues. Bobath approach promotes functional movement through tone regulation and posture. Constraint-induced movement therapy forces use of the weaker limb for neuroplastic gains. Robotic-assisted therapy provides consistent, repetitive gait training. Treadmill plus body weight support improves walking safely. Virtual reality rehabilitation boosts engagement and feedback for balance and coordination. Functional electrical stimulation activates muscle to improve mobility and strength. Remember, home exercise programs are crucial to maintain progress between sessions. Facial palsy after stroke. If you have noticed facial droop or trouble smiling post-stroke, this could be central facial palsy affecting the lower half of the face opposite the brain lesion. Assessment tips: check symmetry of smile, cheek puffing, eyebrow raise. Look at eye closure and mouth movements, voluntary versus reflex movements. Treatment techniques: mirror therapy, facial muscle exercises, puffing cheeks, eyebrow raises, smile symmetry. Neuromuscular electrical stimulation, EMG biofeedback, evidence-based for retraining weak facial muscles. Want to see real demonstrations of these exercises and stay updated with the latest in stroke rehabilitation? Subscribe now and turn on the bell. I'll be breaking down each technique in short, easy to follow videos you can use at home or in your clinic. Preventing second stroke, secondary prevention, lifelong health. Lifestyle, daily exercise, balanced diet and hydration. Take medicines for blood pressure, blood sugar, diabetes for diabetes, cholesterol, regular checkups. Support, psychological therapy for depression, anxiety, caregiver training. Better outcomes. Stroke recovery isn't it just physical? It's emotional, social, and deeply personal. With early rehabilitation and the right approach, remarkable recovery is possible. If this helped you, give it a like, comment your questions, and subscribe for more physiotherapy videos.